Brad and Diana from It's About Time Now. We thought we'd do a little video today as a, I don't know, maybe a special celebration. We reached 500 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you.
We couldn't believe that a year ago when we started this little channel that anybody would be interested in anything we were doing. But we really do appreciate each and every one of you that has subscribed to us, and we hope you enjoy the content. We started the channel really for our grandchildren and our kids, and just kind of to document our trip across the country. Up behind us here are some pictures that we took out in Washington State. We are here in our sticks and bricks, waiting for our coronavirus shelter in place, quarantine, whatever it is, to end. And then hopefully we'll be able to get Gumby back out on the road. Gumby is perfectly safe, sits in our driveway. I've got 30 amp service, it's plugged into the house. So it's ready to go at a moment's notice. But we of course are doing our due diligence to protect ourselves. And wanted to let you guys know, if you didn't already know, that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram. It's About Time Now. If you want to check those other media platforms out, we'd certainly be happy to have, there's our Sapphire. Be certainly happy to have you guys do that. And once again, just thank you very much to all of you who have decided to subscribe to our channel. We ask that you watch the videos. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and
leave some positive feedback. We appreciate all of that.
We try to respond to all the feedback that we get, and thanks again.
And real quick, just want to say that YouTube actually sent us a really cute video when we reached the 500 subscriber milestone.
Here is we're gonna post some little video clips from our travels, just some little bite. If you haven't been following with us from the beginning, it'll give you the opportunity to see some of what we've seen and what we've enjoyed. And of course, as soon as this whole coronavirus COVID-19 is done, we'll be back out on the road again to give it another go.
Yep.